Welcome. In today's tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to change the threat detector in Doom the Dark Ages. So at first you have to move to the settings, then the second tab will be user interface, and here you have to scroll down a little bit. As you can see, we have threat detector. There is 3 different options. First will be off, so we can see none of the incoming attacks. The second one will be parryable only. There appears a green arrow that shows you the attack which you can parry by using your shield. And the third option will be on, and it can show you all of the incoming attacks that can be parryable or not. Thanks for watching, that will be all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!